Well, dramatic testimony today in the murder trial of the gunman accused of killing Chicago police officer Ella French.
French's partner, who was critically injured in the attack, took the stand in court today. WGN's Julian Cruz with more on the testimony.
Officer Carlos Yanez, critically wounded in that deadly West Englewood traffic stop, barely surviving the incident that claimed the life of his CPD partner, Officer Ella French. Carlos Yanez Jr. holding back tears on the witness stand, reliving those awful moments when he fell to the pavement, shot 5 times in a 2021 West Englewood traffic stop. "What could you feel at this moment?" asked Assistant State's Attorney Emily Stevens. "I couldn't feel anything," Yanez testifies. "I was completely paralyzed, couldn't move anything." Yanez testifying at the Layton Criminal Courts building, accompanied by loved ones, friends, and Elizabeth French, the mother of slain Chicago police officer Ella French, who was killed in that violent 2021 traffic stop near 63rd and Bell. Prosecutors accusing now 23-year-old Amonte Morgan of shooting French and Officer Yanez, an allegation he denies. Yanez suffering bullet wounds to his head, neck, back, and shoulder, losing an eye and much of his hearing. Any other injuries? Prosecutors ask him in the crowded 5th-floor courtroom. "I was shot in the right cheek," he responds. "Is there a bullet still in your neck?" he's asked. "I can still feel it," he says. "Can you feel anything in your shoulder?" "I can still feel the bullet in my shoulder," he responds. Yanez, who underwent painful reconstructive surgery to repair his face and jaw, still in recovery, forced to end his career with CPD. Thousands of officers and first responders from across the region and North America bidding farewell to Officer Ella French in August of 2021. The man accused of taking her life and attempting to kill Yanez, facing first-degree murder of a police officer and attempted murder charges and a host of other felony counts. Morgan wounded by police in the aftermath of that traffic stop. Defending Morgan in this 2-week trial are attorneys with the Office of the Public Defender. At the Layton Criminal Courts building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.